What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I personally trade news, and it has been giving me like 90% win rate just trading news. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I trade news and how you could also get same thing and get same result. So let's head straight to the screen. Let me show you how I personally trade news.
So now this is how I personally trade news, and this is what I look out for, right? So news in Nigerian time is 1:30, and of recent it was shifted to 2:30, but I think it's back now back to 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, so now this is what we do first. This is what I look out for. First off, there are some certain candlesticks I look out for few minutes to the news, right? So like maybe 10 minutes to the news, 5 minutes to the news, 3 minutes to the news, because anything can still happen within those short period of time, you all know, right? So now, first off, what we want to do is I want to come to the charts around 1:20, since the news is 2:30 or 2:30 or 1:30, thereabout, right? So I want to come to the chart 1:20 because it's news trading, it's news I want to trade. Now, first off, there's certain kind of candlesticks I want to see on the chart, right? Now, first off, if I come on the chart, I only focus on two time frames if I want to trade news: the daily and the 4 hours time frame, right? Note daily and 4 hours time frame. Now, once I come on the chart and I see a candlestick like this on the daily time frame, now it depends. It might be something like this. The body itself might be a bit bigger, it might be smaller, something like this, it might be broader like this, you understand, something like this. So, but the main thing I focus on is the wick of the candle, right? The wick of the candles. Now, if the wick above is bigger than the wick below, to how I trade gold, because this thing works only on gold, right? I've not tried it on other pairs, but I use it on gold. And if you know the direction of gold, you know the direction of other pairs. It's like straightforward like that, right? So now, if the wick above is longer than the wick below, right? If I see this kind of candlestick on daily, it tells me that from the bigger time frame, the long view is a sell, like few minutes to the news, maybe 5 minutes or 3 minutes to the news. If I see something like this on the daily, where the wick above is a bit bigger than the wick below, then I know that the long-term view, like the broader view of it all, is it'll sell. Now, if I go on 4 hours and I see similar candle, it tells us, like, let's say 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and I see similar candles on both time frame, daily and 4 hours, then it tells us that news, we are going to expect a huge sell, right? A sell, depending on how volatile that news is going to be. We are going to expect what? A spike to the downside, because from what is showing us here is that at some point when this candle opened, right, it's pushed up first because it started maybe here. It pushed up first, maybe tested this high, then all of a sudden it started going down to test the low. And if it's going to test the low and it is news that is bringing it to go test the low, then we might see what is spike to the downside, right? I've been using it for a while now, right? You can back test it, try it, even if you don't trade it, just monitor the candles and check for yourself. Now, if I come on the daily time frame and I see similar candle on both time frames, then it tells me that I should be looking out for what sells. Few minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then I know I should be entering for sells. Now, if I see something like this, the opposite of this, then you know it's buys, right? Now, what if I see something like this and something like this on 4 hours, right? I see something like this that it's a good one for a sell, and on 4 hours I'm seeing something like this. So it tells us that we are going to see a double direction news, right? We're going to see what? A double direction, which means that market will, first of all, how market moves is that it starts from the smaller time frame and extends to the bigger time frame. When market wants to change structure, it starts from the smaller time frame and extends to the bigger time frame. So it tells us that 4 hours will first of all do what? Spike to the upside to fake most people out to a particular zone, maybe on 30 minutes time frame, and then the main move will now happen, which is what? A crazy sell, which would be more bigger than the buy. You understand the fake out, the buy fake out. Why? Because the bigger time frame there is daily, and daily is more stronger than 4 hours. So it tells us that what will happen 4 hours is going to spike up first to fake most people out, right? It's going to spike up first, maybe 50 pips or to a particular zone on 30 minutes. Then the main move will now happen, which is now on daily, will now drag it to its own direction, because the move should first of all happen on 4 hours before it now happen on daily, right? So now, but if I see something like this on daily and something like this if I see something like this on 4 hours and see something like this on daily, you already know the direction. First off, whilst we drag it down, then the main move now happens, which is a buy. But now, in cases like this, that is, I've explained that particular case. Now, what if I see something like this, equal wicks on both sides, maybe a few minutes to the news, and I see something like this on daily and something like this on hours. So it tells us that once that news comes, the volatility is going to be low. We are going to see a spike to the upside and then a melt back to where it started from, back to the entry point. Because why? Daily say it's indecision, so it's not certain, right? The volatility is low, so whilst it's showing a good one for buy, which means the direction will first of all push up, then melt back inside, back to the entry point again and starts consolidating or thereabouts, right? So, but if I see this kind of pattern on 4 hours, right, and say something like this on daily, which is a good one for buy, then 4 hours might do a double fake out, which is a spike down and immediately melts back and starts going up. Right, so this is the concept. I know these things are premium stocks, it's only for my students, you understand? So, but I'm sharing it out there with you guys, right? So, but if both of them are indecision, you already know that you should stay away from news like this. If it's indecision, because it's not certain where it's going to, and the volatility might even be low, it might even be waste of time because the market might not even move. And you only need to try this on high impact news, right? High impact NFP, CPI, FOMC, right? News like that has high impact. Those are the place you try this particular stuff. So, guys, that's how I trade news. You can go back test it. Even if you don't want to back test it, you can also front test, like trade the current chart. You know, NFP is coming, CPI is coming. Try them. Other news that are high impact, try it only on gold and come back. Let me know in the comment section.
So guys, that's it for today's video. So if you really want to learn more and improve your trading skill, do well to go stretch the description box and click any of the links there to get any of my resources, or join my academy to learn personally from me, or to join the community where you can see fellow traders that will help motivate you, understand, during your whole journey. Right? Do well to like, subscribe, and share this particular video to others that are really interested in videos like this. See you in my next video.